Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing the BPerfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie MUA Carnival palettes. So I'm sure you guys probably seen this palette all over social media, seen so many people use this, and it's just, you'll see my thoughts when you continue watching the video. But it's a beautiful palette, great packaging, quality of it is very well. So before we get into the video, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on all of my other social media platforms, and if you're new, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you want to see how I created this look and my thoughts on this beautiful palette, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so brows are done, lids are prepped and primed, and I use the P. Louise base in shade 1 to do so. And then for brows, I use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade medium brown. So that is what I used. So this is the palette here. And these are the shades. Now I did use these. I wanted to not use these, but I did use it, and I wanted to just kind of get a feel of the colors and how it blends out. So I did like a quick, simple look that I posted up on my Instagram page. So I'm just gonna do a couple swatches for you guys, like some of the bright mattes, some of the shimmers, some of the dark mattes, and then the two highlighters. We're not swatching all of these, okay? So let me just take a couple shades here. Okay, so that's just a few shades. It does have like a lot of colors in it. Let me do like a purple. Let me do another dark color, and let me do another soft transitional color. Those are a few more swatches for you guys. Now let me just swatch the highlighters. Really beautiful. Look at that. Really pretty. Really pretty. So we're gonna do a look. So I'm just gonna pretty much, give my thoughts on the palette, blendability, pigment, and all that good stuff. So let's go in with, I'm gonna use, I feel like I want to do, honestly, I don't even know what kind of look I want to do. Kind of want to mess with the browns. Alright, we're just going to figure it out. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this first shade here called Basic. And that's going to be our transition shade. And I'm using my Morphe R35 brush. And I'm just going to place this, I'm going to look down while I'm doing this. Place it right here and just start blending it upwards. It is blending nicely as well. Alright, so I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush, and we're going to take the shade Rowdy, which is this brown shade here, beautiful chocolate shade. And we're going to put that one in, I got like my brushes everywhere. We're going to put that one into the crease. Now I would say, for which I've seen this in the other shadows as well, there is kickback, you can see, but I don't mind that in a palette as long as it's not like too much, but I feel like I'm just like wasting product, you know? So alright, now this one is a little tough to blend out. Not too bad, but just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a more fluffier brush, like a more fluffier blending brush, since this one is more tapered and tulip-like. I'm gonna use this one. This is a Coastal Scents BR250, and this one is a lot more fluffy, but it's, you know, meant for detail. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'll take a lot less this time, and then I'm gonna just try to go as lightly as possible so it's not so harsh. Okay, this brush definitely helps it a lot more. So I don't know if maybe it was just the brush that it kind of just like... I'm going to use this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Liquor. It's like a really deep plum shade. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I'm feeling... No, we're going to put it in the outer and the inner corner. We're going to do a halo today. I'm just going to pat it there first. And then blend it out. This is the shade that the shimmer shade that I swatched. Ouch. We're gonna just pack this on. Wow, you guys. This is really pigmented. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, okay, I like this. Alright, so just using all of these shades and then the previous shades that I used yesterday, pigmentation is definitely there. I did have a little trouble blending out Rowdy with this brush here. When I do this eye off camera, I'm just going to use the other brush and see if it still gives me the same problem. If not, then I know for a fact that the issue was the brush and not that shade. But as far as, you know, the dark shades that I did use, they do blend out really pretty and they're not patchy at all. There is some kickback, but hey, that's cool. There's no fallout at all, so I am enjoying that. And the shimmer, I did not have to wet. It literally just popped right on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then we'll be back to do the base. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, we're back. So put lashes on. The lashes that I am using is Dodo lashes style D327. Did that, and then I did foundation and concealer. I used Tarte Shape Tape Light Medium, and I used two foundations. I mixed my Becca Ultimate Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in this shade Driftwood, and also my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in shade 4. So I mixed these two together. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Contour Kit and just just gonna take this Morphe brush, this G8. I'm gonna take the middle shade. I'm just gonna pop that right there. With my Anastasia blush. This is the Trio in a Pool Party. I'm gonna take this rosy pinky shade here. Just gonna put that right there, apples of the cheeks. Bring this upward. Just gonna smoke out the lower lash, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M507 brush, and I'm gonna take Rowdy. Look at this right in the lower lash. And just so you guys know, when I put Rowdy on this eye, and please excuse this right here and this, I got the liner on my lashes and I'm going to shadow. But when I did Rowdy on this eye with the fluffier brush, I had no issues with blending. Like, it blended really, really good. To highlight, and I'm gonna use both actually. Just gonna highlight this face. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Really, really pretty. And just blends right into the skin. Like, it just gives you that perfect wet look. And there you go. This is it. This is the final look. I really, really like this. It's really, really pretty. Great for fall, like, you know, nighttime fall look. Maybe a date night fall look. But I really, really do like the palette. I feel like even though it has so many bright colors, it also gives you enough darker colors where you can actually create something that's a little bit more neutral but still with color, whereas it's not just a bright colorful palette. I feel like it has a lot of mid-tone shades, which is really, really good. But yeah, this is what it is. I'm gonna put pricing somewhere here, that way you guys know the price, the UK price and the US dollar price, so you know the pricing that I did pay if you do want to buy it. And this actually only took a week, I would say, like maybe a week and a half, not even like 2 weeks. Shipping was really, really good. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also follow me on all of my other social media platforms, and I'll see you guys in the next video.